Hey guys, Ogre Fab Works. Welcome back to the channel here where we talk about cool welding tools and projects. What I wanted to talk to everybody about today is plate dogs, which are these bad boys. If you don't know what a plate dog is, these essentially are used to level out pieces of steel. I prefer making them myself, although I think you can buy them. They're relatively easy to make. So if you're just not aware, let me grab some scrap pieces here. Let's say you have two pieces of steel, maybe one of them's lifted up slightly. What you can do is you can take one of these plate dogs, tack it onto your piece of metal here, and then using this screw, it'll push this plate flat. You can just put an impact on here and run it down. And that's one way to do it. That's the main way that I like to do it. The other way is you can take a big wedge like this, take it up under here and hammer it in from the back side, and that'll push down both plates. So that's what a plate dog is. So how do I make them? Well, I essentially take some threaded rod, just put a little bit of a couple of tacks on there. It just needs to hold the nut onto the threaded rod. Cut out essentially an L-shaped piece of steel. So I do some that are longer, some that are shorter, some that are about the same. Same thing with these. You know, I've got some long ones if you've got a lot of travel that you need. And then I've also got shorter ones that you can replace if you don't have the clearance. So that way you're pretty well covered on all your bases. Weld a couple nuts on there, tack them up, and send it. So those are plate dogs. They're very useful if you're doing a lot of fabrication. You can use them on pipes to get the pipes aligned. You can use them on plates, all sorts of different areas of use. And like I said, you just make yourself a little wedge like this to hammer in. It's incredibly useful to just get the line up that you need. So anyway, I just wanted to share that quick tip. Very easy to make. If you guys got any questions, leave them in the comments below. Thank you.